So this video is about multiplying fractions. On your screen you can see three different types of questions. Let's do them. So here you can see 1 over 2 times 3 over 4. During multiplication, if you can find anything you can simplify, okay, it's better to do them during the question. So if you can see something up and down with numerator and denominator, any common factor, like if they come in the same timetable, if it's possible, it's good to simplify them now. Or if you can't see them like that, then you can try seeing them in cross. If you can see they have any common factor, and you can simplify them. As I can see, 1 and 2 there is nothing common, you can't simplify them. 3 and 4 you can't simplify. Same way, 1 and 4 there is nothing common. 2 and 3 there is nothing common, you cannot simplify them. So if you cannot simplify them, you have to now just multiply them directly. Numerators with numerators and denominators with denominators. So 1 times 3 will give you 3, and 2 times 4 will give you 8, and that's your answer. Now if you will go to the second question, you see 7 and 8. Is there anything we can simplify in 7 and 8? So I think no, they don't have any common factor. They both does not go in the same timetable. 4 and 21, no. But if I see them in cross, 7 and 21, do they both go in the same table? I think yes, they both go in the table of 7. 7 times 1 is 7, and 7 times 3 is 21. They both go in the table of 7. Now if you will see the other two, if you see the 2, so 8 and 4, do they both go in the same timetable? I think yes, they both go in the table of 4. They also go in the table of 2. Even if you will cut them by 2, if you will simplify them by 2, you have to do them again. Let's see. So let's do them by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8. They are still going in the table of 2, so you have to do it again. 2 times 1 and 2 times 2. What would have happened if you will do them directly by 4? Let's see. So if we'll cut them directly by 4, 4 times 1 and 4 times 2 is 8. So finally, in the end, you have to reach to the same answer. If you're doing by a smaller number, you have to do it more than once. So what we are left with now is 1 here and 1 here. So 1 times 1 will give you 1, and 2 as denominator, and another denominator is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer is 1 out of 6, or 1 over 6. Now the last question you can see on the screen. First of all, we have to look for, can we find anything to simplify up and down, which I think I cannot find any common factor with the same fraction. Now we'll see with other fractions in cross. I can see 15 and 5. Let's cut them. 5 times 1 and 5 times 3, they both go in the table of 5. Then I can see 8 and 16. So let's cancel them. They both goes in the table of 4, they both goes in the table of 2, they both goes in the table of 8. I'll choose the highest one, 8. 8 times 1, 8 times 2. I can see that there we have 4 and 2 now. 4 and 2, we can still simply, unless they're not on the same level. You can't cancel 4 and 8 together on the same level. This is not possible. But it should be up and down, it should be numerator and denominator. Okay, remember this. So 4 and 2 will give you 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And I can see one last thing, which is 3 and 9. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. They both go in the table of 3. I think there is nothing left now. So on the top numerators, we have 1 times 2. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2. So it's going to be a 2. And denominator is 1, 3, and 1. So 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3 again. So it's 3. The answer is 2 over 3. This is how we multiply fractions. I hope this video is of help to you. If you want me to solve any other thing, you can write in the comments. Share and subscribe for supporting our channel. Have a nice day.